From our core business to the people who work here, creativity is at the heart of what we do. We strongly believe that creativity is the key to developing not only our company, but a world of progress and growth. We are a bunch of business-orientated, playful minds who are as passionate about creativity as our customers. And we have made it our mission to provide children and adults with the materials, toys, and inspiration they need to express themselves and grow as creative individuals. No matter if they are in kindergartens, schools, or at home, we are here for them as their #1 go-to place for hobby articles. All children deserve the opportunity to develop the skills they need to find solutions to the challenges they meet. And we see it as our obligation to help them develop these skills and become innovative and problem-crunching adults. We do this by inviting them to flex their imagination and playfully create something they can be proud of, and in the process, strengthen their intelligence and creative skill sets. More and more people spend their day getting stuff done on a computer. But when it comes to a truly satisfying sense of accomplishment, nothing beats creating something real and tangible with your own hands. At Creativ Company, we want all people, not just children, to experience the pleasure of being creative. Because when we are creative, we feel calm, contemplation, and a true sense of joy in life. Speaking of work, at Creativ Company, we have always been ahead of time. From the way we run our business to the way we treat each other, Creativ Company have always had a warm and familiar work environment, with room for diversity, equality, and a healthy sense of accountability. We look at each other as whole humans and what it takes for each of us to thrive. From flexible working hours with room for quality time at home to fun and good times at work. We do this because we know that by doing so, we create the soil for creativity to blossom and our company to grow. In other words, it is actually really good for business. Obviously, we also want the planet to thrive. This is why we have a tight focus on the entire value chain to ensure compliance and a steady progression towards sustainability. We continuously pursue sustainable options for our products, including toys as well as hobby articles, and we overlook every step of the productions to make sure they are ethically correct and that no hazardous ingredients are used. Yes, as you know by now, we are very serious about creativity, but we are even more serious when it comes to logistics. What good is it if we can't get our product to our customers? That is why we have spent a great deal of effort setting up our state-of-the-art logistics system to ensure that every order is handled as safe and efficient as possible. In essence, Creativ Company is a creative company. And on top of that, it is also a thriving business. We are innovative, ambitious, and we aim high. We want to be Europe's leader in hobby articles. Do you want to join the journey?